And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose web development, ebook writing, branding and identity design, Amazon product listings, or customer services, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is data visualization. Businesses rely on data to make decisions, but raw numbers can be hard to understand. As a data visualization expert, you'll turn complex data into easy-to-read charts, graphs, and infographics. Start by learning tools like Tableau or Microsoft Power BI. Many companies pay $30 to $150 per hour for data visualization services, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on storytelling and design principles. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses directly. With practice, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the tech and business world. Next is motion graphics. From YouTube intros to social media ads, motion graphics are in high demand. If you enjoy creating eye-catching visuals, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe After Effects or Blender. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to content creators and marketing agencies. With practice, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the creative industry. Third is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject like math, science, or even a language, you can teach others and get paid for it. As an online tutor, you'll help students achieve their academic goals from the comfort of your home. Start by identifying your expertise and creating a simple teaching plan. Many tutors earn $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the subject and platform. To stand out, focus on delivering engaging and effective lessons. You can find work on platforms like VIPKID, CHEGGTUTORS, or WYZANT. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a rewarding and flexible career. Fourth is financial planning. With more people looking to manage their money wisely, there's a growing demand for financial planners who can help them achieve their goals. If you're good with numbers and enjoy helping others, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour for financial planning services. To get started, offer your services to friends and family or create online courses. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a high-paying niche. Finally, let's talk about flyers and posters. From local events to business promotions, there's always a need for eye-catching designs. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe InDesign or Canva. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per design depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to local businesses or event organizers. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose data visualization, motion graphics, online tutoring, financial planning, or flyers and posters, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.